Say hello, Randy.
Hello, Randy.
Hey, Greg. There's Dave and Chris and Hiram, David. We're at we're at Hurricane Creek Park in Coleman. I'm assuming this is Hurricane Creek that we are looking at. It's really pretty. Lots of rock formations, lots of bluffs. Really nice. A lot of fun. There's a big tunnel that we went through.
Where?
It's very cool. Oh, up there. I'm talking to the video. Just a really nice, cool place. Only an hour from Birmingham, which makes it really nice. Really cool. Just a nice woodland area. Lots of bluffs. What?
Nothing.
Don't be talking about me like I'm not even here.
It says you can't put up tents.
I didn't say you couldn't put
whatever.
up tents.
It said you want.
There's a difference
you could just
between
pitch a tent.
there's a difference between being unable. He does pitch them.
You just use
There's a
pitches
difference
of
between
tents.
being unable to put them up and not putting them up.
I had to walk three novices out in the dark
That is true.
before they started crying.
One of whom was on the verge of starvation.
This is really pretty.
It is beautiful here. Very pretty fall.
Let's fight out like American Gladiators.
Alright, let's go. Who's our money on?
See, I've got land over here, so I'm not going to fall in the water.
I can't knock you in the water. I feel awful. Only for a moment.
For a moment, yeah.
Then I feel okay. I'm like, okay.
Come on, baby. Come on, pocket.
I am not really
Come on, baby.
Not study on the way. Not a cat. Not a good idea.
Too much, people.